Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Muzz. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Muzz app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in into your Muzz account. Now on your screen, you can see options like Marries, Explore, Chat and Menu. Go to Menu. Now there you can see options like Edit Profile, Search Filters, Settings, Help Center, Contact Support and Invite Friends. Well, you can go to Help Center or Contact Support. Well, I'm gonna go to Contact Support, then go to Help Center, or you can directly go to Help Center. There you can see you can ask questions through the search questions bar, or scroll down and right below Contact Us you can see a pink option with Contact Support written on it. And guys, users have to tap on it, then it's gonna redirect you to the email app. Users have to email them, and guys, that's it. That's how you contact Muzz from your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.